All right. So yeah, hi guys. A couple of you guys have asked me that whether you are writing NMAT and SNAP and XAT, or whether they should write it. So yeah, if yes, why? If no, why? So basically, if it's your call, it's not my call to do. If you feel like you should write it, go ahead. Don't wait for my validation or anything of that sort. But I can tell you my opinion or what I am going to do. So I'm going to write XAT for sure. I have already registered for it. Even before CAT, I registered for XAT. And NMAT, I'm not going to write it for some obvious reasons and some personal reasons. The Okay, I will let you guys know a couple of reasons. The one reason is that because of the fees for each college, you have to pay too many fees for even for applying, even for getting an interview call, you have to pay some money. To apply, you have to pay some money. For GD, you have to for each and everything they have to pay some amount of money, and it's simply, I guess, it's not worth it. One more thing is that the fees, it's almost 25 lakhs for, yeah, for an MBA in that, and also they are not providing hostels. And add on to that, it's in Mumbai, and you know the living expenses Mumbai, the rent to stay there, it's way too high. And I don't want to get out of an MBA with the 35 to 40 lakhs of a loan. That's not what I intend to do. But apart from that, their batch size is also very large, like 500 people. And with this, in this market condition, I don't think they can even place that many people with an average salary or a salary which can justify the loan of 40 lakhs. So instead of ending up in a 10 to 12 lakh job from NMIS and with the 40 lakh loan, I don't want that to be me. But if for you it suits you, if you're from Mumbai, you can stay nearby or something like that. If it suits your things, and if whatever, if it suits you, just do it. Don't follow me or whatever. But that was why I'm not writing NMAT. For SNAP, there are some personal reasons as well, but I might write SNAP if XAT and CAT don't go well. So I'm keeping that as a backup option, because there are some things about those colleges which I don't like, and I'm not too keen to join any of Symbiosis colleges, which I will just DM in LinkedIn. I will tell you guys why I can't tell it here. So if you want to know, you can connect with me on LinkedIn. I am not using Instagram as of now, so I won't be replying there. So yeah, that will be it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.